In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make quick edits and changes to your WordPress website in under 5 minutes. So once you're on your dashboard, what you want to do is you want to come here, look on the left side, and look at pages. So you click pages link if you're not already there. This is going to take you to all the pages that you have in your website, all the various pages that you have. Next step is we're going to come to the page that we want to edit. So whatever pages you want to make changes on, go to that page. So for us, we're going to do About Us. So we just click that, and it's going to redirect you right to the editor. So the first thing we see is the title. So if you want to add any titles or headings to your page, this is where you can add it in. So of course we can add bullets and other things here, but let's say we wanted to add let's say we wanted to add a picture of the image of the services here, but there's no space. Where do we add it? So what you want to do is click in here like this until you see this plus. You just saw it right here. See that plus? The plus is where you can add an element to the page. Sometimes it might not come automatically, so just keep clicking until you get that plus. So here, we're going to go on image. Let's click image. Let's see if we can select an image, just a random image of our service. Let's say you come in here, you can click maybe, let's add this image here. So come here, insert. So boom. So now you see the image is added into this section. Then of course you can drag the image like this, depending on how big or small you want it, like that. And there it is. Now of course, let's say you made a mistake, you don't want it. You can either hit the back button to keep going back until you get to the position that you want, or you can come in here and you just click move image, is gone back to where it was. Good. Okay. Let's say you want to come down here, you want to add another element, maybe somewhere here. So once again, come in here, you should get a plus. There we go, we just have it. Let's see, we can come right here. Sometimes it's hard to get right there. So you come in here, let's see, we want to add a new section. Now, from what, I don't think WordPress has sections that you can just go in, but you can create these sections at yourself. So all you do, right, is you just click on heading. So we'll say like this. Then maybe you want to add a paragraph of some details. So you just click the enter key, and then it gives you the option to type the slash to choose a block. So you can either do that, type the slash, or you just click plus. You can do that, come in here, and then you can just do like this, and it gives you all the different options. Or you can just simply type. So there's three things you can really do. You can either type slash, plus, or you can just start typing. So let's here, we're gonna say, this is a sample text. Like this. And then you have the new section is added in. Another thing that you might want to do is maybe let's say you own a gym and you have pictures on it, but the pictures are outdated, you want to change them. Very simple to do. All you do is you come in here, you click this, you click your picture, click on your picture, and you click on replace. From here, you either have the option to upload from your computer and it's going to pull up the files from your computer, or you can click select image. You have access to maybe the media library, which is like all the different images that you already used previously on WordPress. You can get images from Google, so a whole bunch of things that you can do. Also, another useful tool that a lot of agencies and businesses use is when you click on a link, it takes you to another page. So I'll give you an example. If I come to my website like this, it's right here, it's open, and I come here to this image, which is this one right here. If I click on this, you see how it takes me to another website. That's also useful because let's say whether you're a gym owner, you're a marketing agency, you're a Shopify store, whatever it is that you may be, you most likely want to show things on another website, especially if you provide services yourself. You want to be able to link people to that service. So you want to be able to just click on this and it'll take you to whatever it is that you want the link to go. So that's also another useful tool. A lot of changes that you can make when it comes to your WordPress website. You can add images, you can add paragraphs. Let's see what else we can add. So we come in here, maybe we want to add a video from YouTube. So you can come here, you can insert URL. Let's say maybe you're a painter, you're a pressure washer. You want to show a demo of your services. You come in here, paste the link. Somebody clicks on it, they can now see your services. Another useful tool. And I believe, let me see if I come in here. Let's see if we can see form like this. This is also useful. Let's say you want to make a contact form so people can put in their information and then they can reach you for a service that you provide. So now you have here, you click forms, all these different forms, contact, newsletter, RSVP, registration. So let's just click on contact, boom, it's already made for us. Name, email, message, contact us. And then what happens when they fill this out, then you will get that. You'll get the notification and you can contact them, reach out to them. So with WordPress, there's a lot of things that you can do. But in this video, I just want to show you some of the basic things if you are a business owner. I know a lot of times you don't have time to really go into these things. You just need something quick and easy. So I want to show you how you can make quick edits to your WordPress website. Now, if you currently have a website for your business, your agency, whatever is the case may be, and you need extra help, maybe you don't have time to make updates. Maybe this video went too quickly and you didn't understand what was going on. Maybe there's something that you couldn't figure out how to do. Whatever may be the case, come to our website, zqdo.info. The website is zqdo.info. Or you can come here, you can come to our website, click on start here, learn a little more about what it is that we do, how I can help you create your website, set everything up, any changes that you need to make. And then if you want to learn more, you click on learn more, come down here, you see more of our services, see how to reach out, see previous projects that we've done in the past, see our process. So this video was just a quick little short video on how to make these changes in WordPress for your website. And if you need any help, just feel free to reach out at zqdo.info, or you can send us an email, zqdo.tech@gmail.com, and I'll try my very best to help.